करतोय के
माणसाला आशा बघितल्यास का? Okay. Now, previously we have seen the numericals. Right now we'll move one more. I'll read the numerical. A rod of linkage mechanism made up of steel having SUT 550 Newton per mm square is subjected to completely reversed stress axial load of P 100 kilonewton. The rod is machined, this is required for K, machined length and expected reliability. The process will have to write machined. Expected reliability R 95%. There is no stress concentration, okay. Determine the diameter of rod, D is equal to question mark. If factor of safety 2 for infinite life condition. So this was the problem they have given. So we'll solve. The ultimate aim to find out the diameter. They have not mentioned any structure. So we'll move one by one as per the step. As like we know, step number 1. SE is equal to. Right now I don't think you have problem for finding Ka, Kb, Kc. Already we have found a lot many times. Se dash. So we'll have to K. I'll directly write in this case. So see. For the K, which process they have machine this chart, and SUT 550. So here 500, 550 somewhat at center here. Is that visible? 550 x-axis, 500, 550, and machining. So I'll get this point. So through which I can say K is equal to, see, K is equal to 0.78. Is that clear? Is that clear? 550 SUT through which I'll move upward, and by moving upward I'll meet this point, and through which I'll get 0.78. It is nearer to 0.8. So I'll write K 0.78 into KB, size factor. Now size factor, they have not mentioned any size in the diagram, in the statement, nowhere. So we'll have to assume. While assuming, we'll have to assume this one, 0.85. It is situated in between 7.5 to 50. So I will have to assume 0.85. 0.85 into Kc, reliability factor. How much reliability is given? 95. 95.868. 0.868 into Kd, modifying factor. So Kd is nothing but 1 by Kf. 1 by Kf. So Kf is 1 plus Q, Kt minus 1. Q is given? No. Kt is given? Any structure? No. So two unknowns are there, not possible to calculate. We'll have to consider 1. Understood? 1 into Se dash. It is 0.5 times SUT. SUT is nothing but 550. Correct? So through which I'll get Se is equal to, I'll write here, Se is equal to Newton per mm square. Se is equal to, you will get the value of endurance limit. Se is equal to this total value 275. 275. So Se is equal to 158.26 endurance limit. So this will be the 158.26, but they are interested in diameter of rod, small d. As we know, as I told you, sigma t is nothing but Se by factor of safety, which we have seen in previous numerical. So Se 158.26, factor of safety 2. So therefore I'll get sigma t 79.13 Newton per mm square. Correct? Now we know sigma t is equal to, if they are interested in diameter, so diameter is of course circular cross section pi by 4 d square. So sigma t is known, P is known, they have given, and diameter is remain. So P is how much? 100 kilonewton divided by pi by 4 d square, which is equal to 79.13. So through which diameter is will get 40.11 mm. So we can say it is around 45 mm. Clear? So likewise, we are going to solve the numerical very easily. Here I have done directly, but instead of that, A, B, C, D systematically, whichever we have solved the numerical, previous numerical, as like that you will have to solve, so that you will get the values or answer correctly. Okay, thank you. हो कंटिन्यू करतो. पॉज काय केलं नाही. वरनं फक्त दिसते का?
चेक करू.
ठीक आहे. नाव हे चालू आहे. Okay, now we'll start with the next numerical. A component is machine, K required, we can calculate. A plate of steel, 45 C8 SUT 630, shown in figure, this will be the figure, subjected to completely reverse stress, it means endurance limit, 50 kilonewton load, here they have mentioned, the expected reliability 90%, factor of safety 2, determine the plate thickness we need to calculate, T is equal to question mark. And rest of the things are given in the structure as like fillet radius, this is small d, this is capital D, correct, and load they have mentioned. So we need to calculate one by one. So as I told you, step number 1, SE is equal to K, KB, KC, KD, SE dash. So one by one, I'll directly write the K. So I hope you understood these things because previously lot many numericals we have solved. So one by one we move toward K. K required SUT. How much SUT? 630. And machining process. SUT and machining process. So SUT 630. 600, 700. 630 is somewhere here. And machining process here. So I'll make this arrangement. So here. 0.78, we can say K 0.78, correct? So K 0.78, 550 and 630 up to this 0.78. How we have calculated from SUT and manufacturing process. KB, size factor. Now see on the structure 150. So which part is going to break early? 50 mm diameter. So it is situated in between 0 to 50. So 50, 7.5 to 50, 0.85. 0.85. KC, reliability factor. How much reliability? 90%. For the 90%, 0.897. 897 into KD, modifying factor. So KD, here separate calculation for KD. I'll make here. KD is equal to 1 by Kf, which is equal to, so Kf is 1 plus Q into Kt minus 1. So Q is given, not sensitivity 0.8. Kt is not given, but structure is given. So I need to consider which graph is suitable from structure. It is flat plate with shoulder fillet. So for that, what we require, the chart number 2, I think. Yes, chart number 2, this one, flat plate with shoulder fillet. R by D I need to calculate. So R by D, R is, see, R by D, R is 5, D is smaller one, 50. So it is 1 by 10, correct? So R by D is there. So R by D 1 by 10, it is 0.1. R by D 0.1, correct? Now D by D. So D is 100, small d 50, it is 2. So C, R by D 0.1 here and 2 is this much. So I'll move toward this here. at this point. So here the KT factor 2.27 because it is nearer to 2.3, so 2.27. So I'll write KT is equal to 2.27 from chart. So I'll use 1 plus 0.8 into 2.27 minus 1. I'll get KF. How much? KF 2.016. So therefore KD 1 by KF, which is equal to 0.496 into SE dash. So SE dash, steel material, SUT 630, which is equal to SE dash is 315. By adding this, by multiplying this, we'll get endurance limit SE 89.34 Newton per mm square. Correct? So this will be the endurance limit, but they are interested in thickness, but we know what is the thickness equation, nominal equation, sigma O is equal to P by dt. So through which we can calculate thickness. So I'll write sigma O, step number 2, nominal stress P by d into t. Correct? So d into t, but we know sigma O or sigma t in this case SE by factor of set. SE 89.34, factor of set T how much? 2. So sigma O or sigma T, which will gives you 44.67 Newton per mm square. So this will be the sigma O. Now our nominal equation shows us this will be the value. So I'll tell sigma O is equal to P by D into T, 44.67, which is equal to P 50 kilonewton divided by the diameter is, we'll have to take 50, which is smaller one, into thickness. So here I'll get the thickness is equal to, thickness it is in mm, 22.39, so almost 23 mm. Correct? So likewise we are going to solve the numerical stepwise. First equation, second we'll have to use the graph, and through which we'll have to find out the KT value, and after calculating the KT we'll have to put all the values over here. We'll get the SE, and through which the nominal stress equation, through which we can calculate the thickness. I hope you understood this. Thank you. So, yes.